So why should you drive in the snow? Money. Hey, my name is Levi, and I'm the creator of Tip You Me app. I'm partnering with a rideshare guy for this video. You can make a ton of money when you're driving in the snow or any bad weather for that matter. Passengers still need rides, and drivers just don't want to go out. So to make the maximum, there are a few things you should know to be prepared for the snow. First, you need snow tires. People think they need an SUV or some sort of all-wheel drive car, but the reality is most cities like here in Syracuse, we do a really good job of keeping our roads plowed so almost any car can handle the snow. My little front-wheel drive Prius does just fine. Second, you need to be extra safe in the snow. You want to really drive smooth without jerking the wheel or stepping hard on the brakes or accelerating really fast. The reality is your car will skid. If you're going downhill and if there's a turn, you're going to test your anti-lock brakes. And worse, not every driver on the road is going to be as cautious as you. When the light turns green, don't go. Wait, cars won't stop. Also, avoid tailgating and the people that might be tailgating behind you. And finally, if the weather does get really bad, get off the road. Go find a safe place to park and wait it out. Here's how I set up my car to handle the snow and make money. Snow is messy and you're going to want to keep your car clean. I have an unlimited car wash and I go there 2-3 times a day to get the exterior and the inside of my car cleaned. And I'm always getting out of my car to brush off the snow, whether it's on the windshield or the top of the car, cleaning off my lights. Of course, I have some rubber mats, but I also have a snow brush and I keep a lot of towels with me. And remember, snow melts inside your warm car, so you're going to want to go in the back seat a few times and make sure you scoop out the snow that's puddling up in the floor of your car. When it comes to the passenger side, I avoid parking on hills either up or down, and I try to avoid parking in areas where I think the snowplow hasn't gone yet. The key with your passengers is communicate early and often. For example, Uber may say the trip is going to take 15 minutes. But the reality is it might take closer to 25 or even 30 minutes. Nobody's driving fast. Everybody's driving half of the speed limit. So that's what I'll do. I'll text and I'll call my passenger, letting them know I'm on my way, reassuring them that they're going to get a ride. However, I also tell them it's going to take longer than they think. So let's just take our time and be safe. As they're getting into the car, I ask them if they can dust off their shoes really quickly. If not, no big deal. I want to make it as easy as possible as I can for them. And once they're in the car, we try to have a safe, normal, enjoyable ride. The thing is if you can drive safely in the snow or any other bad weather environment, you're gonna make a lot of surge and tip money. Passengers really appreciate the fact that you're out there driving, helping them get to where they need to go. Please like and subscribe to the Rideshare Guy, and if you get a chance, go and check my channel out too. My name is Levi. I wish you the very best. Be well, be safe, and I'm cheering for you.